guys, so what's up guys, it's your boy Stingray. I'm at American Dream Mall. If you guys can tell, I'm not putting the phone in full phone, but I did so much work. I put 2 coins for 2 wish. Oh, I gotta get this past the customer. Hey Donna, say hi to YouTube.
Hi guys.
Okay, tell them what you need to do to subscribe to my channel.
It's actually free. You don't have to pay anything at all.
But you have to create a Google account, remember?
Yeah.
A Gmail. Also, Donna, tell them what you wish for.
I wish for 2 things. I would have rather, because I'm kind of lonely myself.
I wish for a Lamborghini, that's it.